Hi, Remote Choice Learning parents and students for Ms. Tolliver's class. I wanted to make a quick video to show you some of the things that I have done in Canvas this week in hopes of making your experience easier and more streamlined for the future. Last week, when you came to my home page, you clicked on the Week at a Glance button, which took you to an outside document that had our assignments for the week on it. Next week, beginning the week of August 31st through September the 3rd, I've done things a little differently, and I think you'll find they're a lot easier. You'll be clicking on the Modules section under the Home listing of my Canvas page. When you click on Modules, it will take you to a listing of the assignments for the week. Remember, I've listed the assignments by days simply for my planning purposes. You, as RCL learners, are not required to go by the days. You may do this work at your own pace whenever it is most convenient for your family. So, you have literacy, you have math. I've listed the days of the week. Next week, we don't have school on Friday because of parent-teacher conferences. I've listed the days, assignments. You can click on each day, and it will go straight to a description of what you'll be working on for that day. It also has the live links to the different things that you will need for that day. When you're finished, just click back to modules, and it takes you back to the listing for you to be able to click on what you need to work on next. Keep in mind that anything that I have assigned in my book, which is the reading book that you picked up from your school, can also be done online in the HMH website. To get to the HMH website, you'll go to ClassLink Portal. The HMH website is this one. It's the little Ed guy. Now mine says teacher, so if I click on mine, it's going to take you to the teacher edition, and it won't look anything like your child, so I'm not going to click on that in hopes of not confusing anybody. But that is the website that you would go to within ClassLink to get to the reading portion of your lessons. Savas is the one that you would click on to get to the math portions of your lessons. Same thing here. If I were to open this now, you're going to see teacher pages, and it's very, very confusing, so I don't want to open those from my portal. Let's click back over to Canvas. So BrainPop videos are live. Next week I've added a couple of other videos and things that I would like for you to use. These are live links. You would just click on them and they would take you where you need to go. Click back to modules to always go back to where you need to be. The same thing with math. You'll click on them. The things that you need to link to are there live. It also tells you the page numbers that you need in your student activity book. Anything that is listed in the student activity book is also available to your student on the Savas website. We go back to modules each time, and you can finish off your week's work. Now, when you start working on this next week, I hope that all you see are home and modules and possibly announcements. If I assign things in assignments in Canvas, it requires a due date and a submit button. I don't have the capabilities of linking my online pages back into here just yet, so I was afraid that would just create a ton of confusion on your and my parts. So when I publish these new pages, expect to just see home, modules, and possibly announcements in there so that we cut down on any confusion. So going back to the home page, you'll still see our little virtual classroom. I will remove the Week at a Glance button so that that is not a source of confusion, but you'll still see the social studies, math, literacy, science. We also have a BrainPop link, a GoNoodle link, and an Epic link that the students can click on and be taken to those websites. If for some reason there's any issue with these not working for you, please let me know. I've set up classes in there and they should work fine. So again, when I release Canvas, and I'll do that for a Saturday to Saturday work time, you should just see Home, Modules, and Announcements on your end. You'll click on the modules to be taken to your assignments for the week. Within each assignment, you will see links that carry you to places you need to be. You'll see the listings for things in My Book, remembering that those can also be accessed from the HMH Ed icon in ClassLink. So I hope that this is going to be a lot easier for everybody to have everything housed in one place and not linked out to an outside document. Again, if there are any questions, I am right here. You can reach me by email, text, or Class Dojo message. Thank you.